Good day and good afternoon to you all. I'm back again for this accounting lesson. Today, I want to dedicate this session to grade 10 and 11. I'll be writing paper 1 accounting tomorrow in Tuani South D4 according to the timetable. Before we start, I really want to tell us that literally we are all accountants at different level or by default. If you are responsible and accountable to all your decisions, you are purely born accountant because all what it means that to be accountable, to have responsibility, to be able to follow in all material respects. Now, as I said, that this session will be devoted to grade 10 and 11 because they will write their first paper tomorrow. Now, let's start. Accounting majorly in grade 10 is targeting sole trader, one-man business, or sole proprietorship. What do I mean? According to the business world, for those that are doing business studies, you know we have form of businesses. It could be one-man business. It could be private owned. It could be partnership. It could be company. But from grade 10, we are starting with a sole trader, meaning that a business owned by a person. It takes responsibility over everything. He owns the income. He earns the income. Expenses is through him or her. Meaning that if the business make profit, he enjoys it or she enjoys it alone. If he make losses, oh well and good, it's for him or her. That's what they call sole trader. It means that decision making is made by one person, and the source of revenue, source of capital or investment into the business is owned by one person. Though that kind of a business might not last because if the owner dies, automatically the business might cease to exist. But the good news part of it is that if the accountability is okay, the financial statement is right, the business can grow from being sole trader to the partnership and so on and so forth. Let's talk about the sole trader in grade 10. According to the syllabus, I believe for grade 10, they must have done journals, ledgers, they must have done salary journals, wages journals, financial statement, reconciliation of debtors and creditors. When we talk about the financial statement, actually it's about the statement of comprehensive income, which we used to call income statement, and the statement of a financial position, which we used to call balance sheet. And we have note number 1 to number 8. Let me expatiate a bit on the note. Note number 1 is interest income. Number 2 is interest expense. Number 3 is a tangible asset or non-current asset of what they call fixed asset. Number 4 is inventory, trading stock and consumable stock on hand. Number 5 is trade and other receivable. Number 6, cash and cash equivalent. Number 7, owner's equity. Number 8, that trade and other payables. That is about the note. And then we go for interpretation, which is ratio analysis. Then going forward, we have manufacturing or cost accounting. We have budget. Though those two topics about the concept, not really deeper. They can only go deeper in grade 11. The ethics control, internal control can also follow. All these things with the value-added tax. If you can do all this, it means that actually you are somewhere. Then let me expatiate a bit. At this level, from beginning of the year to date, you must have gotten your 40%, which out of 40%, maybe you got 10, 20, 30, you are somewhere. But final exam, the two papers will comprise of 150, 150, and go to be 2 hours, 2 hours, which will be converted to 68%. Whatever you get out of 40 will be added to 60%, will give you your report mark. Your level will be there. Let me quickly go to the grade 11, which will basically talk about the partnership. The topics in there are reconciliation, creditors, and bank reconciliations. Partnership, financial statement, as I say earlier on, statement of comprehensive income and the statement of financial position. Note number 1 to number 9. There's additional note in there because we have different ways of doing things in grade 11, and going forward it will be changed a bit, and the interpretation will also be there. The inventory system will be there. The value-added tax, where we talk about the input and output control, VAT control, and we talk about the budget, manufacturing as well. With all this, if you can capture all that together, then you'll be able to get good marks. Then do not forget about the time management. You must have your topic, the favorite topic that you know that you cannot get lost. Then you do those one first so that you're able to have better marks and complete your paper. Thank you very